So guys, to fix stick drift on any controller, first you want to grab your controller, make sure that it's turned off. Next, you want to get the joystick that has stick drift on it. You want to push it forward, then you want to blow into it. Now you want to put it back to normal. Then you want to push it backwards, rotate the controller, and then blow into the controller. I know my controller is dusty, but you want to blow into it. Put it back to normal. Next, the right side, blow into it as hard as you can. Next, the left side, as hard as you can. Now you want to go up, down, right, left. Push it as far in as you can. Again, up, push it as far in as you can. Right, as far as you can. Down, as far as you can. Left, as far as you can. Then you just want to rotate this, how I'm doing, in this direction and at the same speed that I'm doing. Then you want to click into the joystick 3 times. 1, hold it, let go. 2, hold it, let go. 3, hold it, let go. And then the problem should be fixed.